Hey, so I just had my teeth cleaned in a place here in San Jose. I just got out, and I was wondering if you guys can help me with this question. So the place is really clean, really nice. Not the first time for me to use it. The only problem I have is with the receptionist. So she is not the nicest person. So just to make it simple, they ask you to sign a few things like any other place. The only difference is they have this digital pad you sign on, but they don't show you what you're signing on. And every time I just ask, she says, sign here. And I will ask what I'm signing on. Well, because I can't see the screen. She says, well, you're signing on this. And she points to a paper that has a diagram of my teeth and what I'm doing. I'm like, okay. And she's like, yeah, because I've already told you because you are multitasking looking at your phone. And I told her, no, I just have to ask because I can't see your screen and I don't know what I'm signing on. She said, no, I can't show you my screen because it has other stuff. And she was like, do you still want to go through with booking the appointment? Like, she was like, okay, do you want to go away? And I told her, no, no, I'm fine. Just go on. And I just spoke with the doctors and I told them that they probably need to at least show you the screen what you're signing on. And she said, no, nobody does that. And we're not going to change the system just for one person, which is you. I was like, well, okay, fine. I'm just saying this is normal rights to see what I'm signing on. And she was really upset. And that's it. And I was thinking, should I go to Google and write a review and just say, well, the place is great, but that person, and I know her name, didn't treat me nicely. You guys tell me. Thank you. Bye.